Welcome back to another Mouse Mansion tutorial. I show you how to make little buckets from paper today. This is what you will need for this tutorial. The printable with buckets, colored paint, a brush, glue, scissors and a piece of wire. Cut out the little pattern for the buckets. Make 2 little holes in the circles on top. You can use a bodkin or just your scissors for this. Glue the pattern together at the dotted line. When it's dry, glue the bucket on a piece of paper and let it dry completely. When it's dry, you can carefully cut it out like this. I paint the white bucket blue and the inside of the other one yellow. And to finish it off, I make them look a little bit older with watered down brown paint. At last you have to bend the wire in a half circle. Bend the ends a bit so that they will go through the little holes you made earlier. Look, they are finished. What do you think? Did you also make these? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next week.